there anything left to do?
It was a long day today. All I need is a hot shower and a good night's sleep. Well, don't talk about it then.
Let's get to bed early and save our energy. I sense the next few days could be tiring.
Well, I'm off to my room then. Express lights off!
Who are you? What are you?
We are allies. Allies of the Guardians in generations.
What do you want?
To rebuild its entire world. To help you achieve your wish.
Hey, did you hear that?
There's a group of Silvermane guards at the entrance, and I don't think they're here to say hi.
If this is our escort, it's less friendly than I was expecting. I guess we'll have to find out.
Let's go and meet them. We won't know until we're down there.
Hey, Commander Bronya is waiting for you all down below. Hurry up and go see her. And no
Are we in a lot of trouble? Huh? It's you. You were there at the fort.
I am Bronya Rand, acting commander of the Silvermane Guards. In the name of the Amber Lord in the Highest, and under order of Supreme Guardian Kokolia Rand, I hereby arrest the suspected infiltrators under the charge of plotting to incite rebellion. As agent of the Supreme Guardian, I herewith temporarily strip you of your freedom of action and speech. When you are tried by the adjudication panel, you will be given the opportunity to defend yourselves against the accusations. Resistance will prove futile. You must come with me.
Wait a minute! This isn't what we agreed! She said we were gonna be escorted to discuss an urgent matter!
This is an orchestrated betrayal, obviously.
Looks like we've been downgraded to accomplices. Again. It seems like it's every third planet this happens.
That's because you always act without thinking. You never have a plan.
Hey, I'm improving. I'm coming up with a plan right now. And got one! Down on the alley.
The one that's been sealed off. It's possible. March. Be ready to make an escape.
Huh? Really? I just wanted to say something.
3 of a kind.
Shh! It's an old Astral Express escape signal. Do you play cards?
2 pair.
Hey, what are you whispering? Let's get going.
Ace!
Have an ice day! They charged straight in!
Escaping into a fragmentum. I don't know if they're overconfident or just eager for death. It would seem that Mother's judgment was correct.
Should we report them as missing or deceased?
The Supreme Guardian's order was to arrest them. We cannot abandon our pursuit just because they fled into a sealed-off area. I must ascertain their fate with my own eyes.
Yes, ma'am.
Eradicate all threats to Bellabog security. That is what I must do.
Ha! See? They weren't brave enough to follow us. Freedom! Serves them right. Better luck next time, slowpokes. Well, you can get good at getting lucky.
We caught them by surprise. Nothing more. They'll be in pursuit soon enough. Let's follow the path.
So, what happened back there? Why did the Supreme Guardian send people to arrest us? Imagine launching a surprise attack when your enemy is fast asleep. The cheek!
That woman had a troubling aura. Our instincts were correct. Too late to repent.
Time for the main event. My tempo!
Batter up! Clemency, never times now.
Let's rock!
My turn.
Reach the end of the story in your own way.
step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict.
Time for the main event. Turn up the volume! Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all!
Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
This is our chance.
The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision!
I told ya I could fight.
Let's make it quick. How about this? Rules are made to be broken!
Clemency, never.
This is our chance.
You have the worst luck running into me. Watch this! My turn.
Batter up!
You have the worst luck running into me.
See? Never heard of it.
Time for the main event. Ready to lose yourself? Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all! My tempo!
Watch this! Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
This is our chance. How about this?
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict. The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
Time for the main event.
Let's rock!
Pretty good crowd today.
Watch this!
Batter up!
I don't want to be alone.
The time is now.
Time for the main event. Turn up the volume.
Rules are made to be broken! Upstage, you're welcome!
Ready to lose yourself? Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all!
How about this?
The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision. It's too late to repent.
Time for them.
Let's rock!
Keep at it.
Clemency? Never heard of it.
Time for the main event. My tempo!
You have the worst luck running into me.
Step aside. I have no... The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
My turn.
Let's make it quick. About this!
Go away!
Clemency? Never heard of it.
Let's rock!
You have the worst. Watch this!
Let's go. Rules are made to be broken!
Ready to lose yourself? Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all! Turn up the volume!
My turn.
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict.
Time for the main event. My tempo!
Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
The truth of life and
Time
death,
for the main event.
revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
Turn up the volume!
I told ya I could fight. Watch this!
Let's make it quick. About this! Is that all?
It's too late to to repent.
Time for the main. Keep up! My tempo!
Reach the end of the story in your own way.
Wait, there are Silvermane guards here. Careful not to alert them.
They must have entered from another direction to cut us off. We should avoid an open conflict. Let's find another path.
Wait, there are Silvermane guards here.
They must have entered from another direction. We should avoid an open conflict.
Doesn't seem like there's any way to open this gate. Ooh, check this mechanism out. Look familiar?
Yes, we saw one in Serval's workshop. We need to solve it before we run out of time.
So that's how it works. Looks good.
Time for turn up the volume! Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all!
Batter up!
Clemency? Never heard of it. The time is now.
My turn.
Reach the end of the story in your own way.
Wait, there are Silvermane guards here.
We should avoid an open conflict. It's too late to repent.
Time for the main event. Keep up! My tempo!
You have the worst luck. Watch this! I don't see a switch for the gate. Over there!
There's a monster in the area. We'll need to deal with it first. Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict.
Time to turn up the volume!
What about this?
Clemency, the time is now.
Reach the end of the story in your own way.
The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
Pretty good crowd today. My tempo! Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all!
My turn. Watch this! Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
Batter up! Rules are made to be broken! You're out!
This song's Let's Rock!
Let's go.
Pretty good crowd.
Let's make it quick.
How about this?
The time is now. The truth of life and death, revealed in this sanctuary, is but a vision.
go.
Rules are made to be broken! It's more than that.
We need a strategy.
That's it?
Move carefully. The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
Ready to lose yourself? Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all! My tempo!
With me out here, how can we lose?
Rules are made to be broken! You're out!
Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move! You can't run! Let's rock! You have the worst luck running into me. Stay right there while I give you a present!
Let's make it quick.
Try that again!
Step aside. I have no.
With me out here, how can we lose? Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
Let's go.
About this!
Let's make it quick.
Rules are made to be broken!
Ready to lose yourself? Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all!
It's too late to repent. The truth of life and death, revealed in this sanctuary, is but a vision.
Try that again!
Pretty good crowd today.
Great. The more the better. Keep at it. Looks good.
She really caught up with us. Even had time to set up an ambush.
You dare underestimate me? Even though it has suffered fragmentum corrosion, this is still part of Belobog. It was our home. The guards know this place like the back of their hand. Enough cat and mouse. Drop your weapons and come with me.
Ah, you're such a nuisance. Just what crime are we supposed to have committed again? It better be worth you following us all the way out here.
My orders are to arrest you. It is for the adjudication panel to present you with the nature and penalty of your alleged crimes.
You saw us yesterday. Do you remember? Madame Cocolia received us as honored guests. How can such a drastic change have occurred in the course of one night?
The Madam Guardian investigated your backgrounds. She summoned me last night to tell me that you had deceived her. Your identities and purpose here are counterfeit. You seek to overthrow the rule of the architects.
What a two-faced hag!
Publicly insulting the Supreme Guardian only elevates the seriousness of your crimes. Throw down your arms and surrender.
We're wasting our words, March. At least one thing is clear. We mustn't be caught.
Well, if there's no escape, then maybe it's time we gave them a taste of Astral Express medicine.
Step aside. I have no interest in stoking conflict.
Time for the main event. Keep up my tempo!
Let's make it quick.
The time's now.
This song?
My turn. Watch this!
Lady Bronya.
I'll handle these evildoers myself. Fight with me.
Move carefully.
have the worst luck running into me. Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
Ready to lose yourself? Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all!
About this! Rules are made to be broken!
It's too late to repent. The truth of life and death, revealed this century, is but a vision.
Pretty good crowd today. Keep up! My tempo!
My turn.
Onward!
Clemency? Never heard of it.
Let's rock!
About this!
You're annoying!
Stop right there!
The time is now.
Back off.
Let's go.
This song's just for you. Turn up the volume. Fight it or rock with it. My music. Conquer us all.
You have the worst luck running into...
The truth of life and death, revealed this century, is but a vision.
Fight with me.
Rules are made to be broken!
This girl's pretty strong. Hey, Don Hung! Maybe now's a good time to show off your secret strength?
You first.
You're no fun.
Intruders, give it up. You will be guaranteed a fair trial.
Ooh, sorry. I didn't mean to ruin the intensity of the moment.
What is this?
I can't breathe.
I have one thing to say. Sampo never lets friends who've helped him come to harm. I say what I mean, and I mean what I say.
They will suffer, sacrifice, and die because of my order.
It is not death which frees them. They will be swept into the infancy of a new world.
What about the Underworlders? They will lose the protection of the Architects. They will see me as a tyrant.
You have witnessed the world we have promised. A temporary misunderstanding for an eternity of prosperity.
We will honor your decision.
I understand.
Come on, those toys of yours aren't that dangerous.
Then why hasn't he woken up yet?
Because he's sound asleep. Didn't you hear him sleep talking? Poor child. Sounded like a bad nightmare. Tell me the truth, Sampo. What are you gonna do about the overworld girl?
What am I gonna do about her? Why, wait for the opportunity and send her back, together with the rest of them, of course. Hey, come on, what's with the...
You're a bad liar, Sampo Koski.
What? I didn't mean to bring her along. The smoke was too dense. I was in a daze. Before I knew it, I'd somehow dragged her down here, too.
What are you up to, Sampo? Why do you insist on getting caught up in overworld affairs that have nothing to do with you? If it's a whole lot more attention from Wildfire you want, you're going about it the right way.
Hey now, Sampo Koski's primary concern is taking care of his friends. These guys scratch my back. How could I live with myself if I didn't scratch theirs? And another thing, where does Wildfire get off assuming that these fine folks won't come in useful to them, huh? I mean, you never know.
Which is why you've set them loose in the underground?
Come on, accidents happen. I'll have them rounded up in no time.
That girl... Get her back as soon as possible, then don't let her out of your sight. The underground has been sealed off for over 10 years now. The children won't even remember what overgrounders look like. If a girl in a silver main guard uniform suddenly shows up, what would Wildfire do with her? What would they do with you?
All right, I get it. I'm setting off right now. I'll have to trouble you to look after them while I'm gone, ma'am.
Hey, sleepyhead. Looks like you're awake.